We just spotted this as we were driving here today. We're in Chumphon, and I'm not sure what it is, but there's a definite naval ship here. Let's see if we can go on it. Oh, Admiral Prince from 1880 to 1923. You can pause to read that. I think this is the same guy. Prince Adhakara, yeah. Krom Luang Chumphon Ket Udam Sak Shrine. Well, that's what this is. Okay, it's a shrine. But these guys are probably the naval guys. For this ship. Built into the ground here now. Oh, the ammunition that used to go on it. And I'm guessing this is a landmine. It's got the triggers all the way around it. Torpedo. These are the twin screws that were on it. I have no idea what this is. Maybe the rudder. Be a good guess. See the lighthouse over there. Another torpedo on top. Big gun here. See where somebody sat on either side of it. Raise, lower. Like I have no clue anything about it, so it's really cool though. Talk about old. Oh, damn. Engine compartment. And they still allow you to go down inside that. I gotta take the lens off, see if it gives better light with it off of there. Well, I'm sorry I can't read it, but there's the naval guys back in its day. Oh my. There it is underway. So it looks as though it was one of three, because it says the sister ships. It's the only thing in English. Nothing. Can't read anything else. Oh, another gun up here. It looks bigger when you actually get on it. I have no idea what these, maybe just to let light in. In rough seas, they're closed. Oh, this is a turret, so these are obviously guns too. Another gun on top. The life rafts. The old smokestack about rusted out. These are locked out. I can't see inside. I'm not going to go up this one or that one. End up breaking my neck. Well, I don't know. I find this interesting. Can you imagine? It's obviously a battleship. Okay, I can't stand it. I gotta go down and see if I can see it. Well, I started to go down inside, but it is so tight here that my big body don't fit. I wouldn't be able to be in the Thai Navy. I can't even get down the ladder well. Let's see if you can see me. I'm like stuck right here. I gotta go up only. Okay, I aborted that mission. You gotta be a smaller person than me to go in that. I hope I don't fall through this. The anchor's down there. How cool is this? I think I remember hearing them yelling down inside these to where they were giving directions or telling them to do something. I don't know. Yeah, neato. Neato. The bird's nest. I'm sorry, some of it's just not big enough for me. HTMS Chumphon. I'll be darned. So there's the answer of who it is. I found another door that would open here. And it's the restroom. Krom Luang. And there's stand-on toilets, no sit-down. Not much privacy, I'll tell you. We'll have to look it up online when it was commissioned and decommissioned. HTMS Chumphon number 7. The windows to look out of. Well, I hope you enjoyed this content. We found it by accident, the HTMS Chumphon. It's cool, really cool. If you like this content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. We're out. Chumphon Ket Udamsak Hat Sari Light Beacon. 22 meters above sea level. You can see it for 10 nautical miles. A height of 19.5 meters. A white concrete tower.